Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a table of contents in Google Docs. I have already inserted a document and now we will create a table of contents for it. First, create a new page by clicking at the beginning of the document and pressing Ctrl plus Enter to insert a page break. Next, click Insert at the top menu and choose Page Element. Then select Table of Contents with page numbers. Now select each heading in your document, click Format, go to Paragraph Style and apply heading. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus 1. If you don't like how the heading looks, edit it first, then click Format, Paragraph Style, Update Heading 1 to match, apply heading 1 to the rest of the headings in the document. After that, scroll back up to the table of contents, click on it and then click the refresh icon. You now have a quick and easy table of contents with page numbers. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.